Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Hello everyone, welcome to our video on 5 side hustles to make money online in 2023 without skills. The concept of a side hustle is not new, but with the advent of technology and the internet, the ways in which we can make money online have become more diverse and accessible. In this video, we're going to take a look at 5 ways you can start earning money online in 2023 without any specific skills. 1. Online surveys. Participating in online surveys is an easy way to make money online without any special skills. Many companies and research firms are willing to pay individuals for their opinions on various products and services. This can be a great way to earn extra cash on the side. All you need is a computer or mobile device and an internet connection. Some popular survey websites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Toluna. 2. Freelancing. If you're good at writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Freelancing allows you to work on a project-by-project basis, and you can choose the projects that interest you. You can set your own rates and work on your own schedule. This is a great way to make money online without any specific skills, as long as you have the talent and drive to succeed. 3. Online tutoring. If you are knowledgeable in a specific subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students. With the increased demand for online education, this is a great opportunity to make money online without any specific skills. You can work as an independent contractor, or you can find tutoring jobs through online tutoring platforms like Chegg. 4. Selling products on e-commerce platforms. You can sell products on platforms like Amazon and Etsy without holding any inventory or shipping the products yourself. This is known as drop shipping. All you need to do is find a supplier, list their products on your website or marketplace, and handle the customer service and marketing. This is a great way to make money online without any special skills, as long as you have the drive to succeed. 5. Drop shipping. Similar to e-commerce, drop shipping is a way to sell products online without holding any inventory. You simply partner with a supplier and list their products on your website or marketplace. You handle the customer service and marketing, and the supplier handles the shipping and handling. This is a great way to make money online without any specific skills, as long as you have the drive to succeed. These are just a few examples of the many ways to make money online in 2023 without any specific skills. Starting a side hustle will require some research and determination to find the best fit for you. Remember, the key to success is to find something that you're passionate about and that aligns with your goals and values. That's it for this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any other ideas or suggestions for ways to make money online in 2023 without any specific skills, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.